George's new dinosaur. George's favorite toy is Mr. Dinosaur. George likes bouncing Mr. Dinosaur in the garden, playing with him at the bath time, cuddling with him, and goes to sleep. At bedtime, Peppa says, George, I think Mr. Dinosaur is broken. George is very upset. Mommy and Daddy. Pig comes to see why George is crying. Poor George, says Daddy Pig, maybe it's time for you to get a new dinosaur. The next day, Peppa, George, Mommy Pig, and Daddy visit Mr. Fox's shop. I'm sure we'll find a lovely dinosaur here too, George and Mommy Pig. Look, George, says Daddy Pig, painting into the paint shop. There's a big one. Oh, Dinosaur, says George. Good morning, said Mr. Fox. Can I help you? We'd like to buy the dinosaur in the window. Please, says Daddy Pig. Good choice, Mr. Fox. This is Dino-Roar. He walks and talks and sings. Dino-Roar, says George. We'll take it, says Daddy Pig. George is playing with Dino-Roar in the garden. Dino-Roar sings. Dino-Roar, Dino-Roar. Listen to Dino-Roar roar. Careful, George, says Daddy Pig. Don't play too roughly because Dino-Roar will break. George wants to play with Dino-Roar in the bath. Splash, splash, splash. Dino-Roar says, Mommy Pig says, George, if you get Dino-Roar, we'll help you stop working. Peppa Pig and George are asleep in bed, but suddenly Dino-Roar comes to life. Listen to Dino-Roar roar. George, Dino-Roar has woken me up. Maybe Dino-Roar should sleep somewhere else, says Daddy Pig, taking Dino-Roar away. George is feeling sad. He cannot play with Dino-Roar in the garden, or the bath, or even in bed. Don't worry, George, says Mommy Pig. Dino-Roar, listen. Dino-Roar, roar. Stop walking and talking completely. I think the batteries must have run out, says Mommy Pig. Already? How many are there? Grumbles Daddy Pig as batteries pour out of Dino-Roar. Hundreds, if not thousands, cries Peppa. Suddenly, Papa spots something green under the bush. What's this? Is it a trumpet? Found Dinosaur's tail, says Mommy Pig. Now Daddy Pig can fix him. He might be a bit different to fix, says Daddy Pig doubtfully. But the tail slips perfectly into place. Oh ho ho, chuckles Daddy Pig. Hello, Mr. Dinosaur, says Peppa. Dinosaur saws George. George is so happy to have his favorite toy back. Click. Brr.